Welcome. Today, we're reviewing Mercado Libre stock. Welcome to our thorough analysis of Mercado Libre stock. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive review focusing on key features, pricing, use cases, advantages, disadvantages, and a balanced conclusion. If you're interested in understanding the potential of this stock, this video is for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Mercado Libre, also known as Meli, is the largest e-commerce platform in Latin America. The company operates in 18 countries, offering a marketplace for buying and selling a wide variety of goods. It also provides a host of related services like payments, advertising, and shipping. This diversification makes it a robust player in the region's e-commerce landscape. Now, let's talk about pricing. Meli is a growth stock, meaning its price is expected to grow at an above average rate compared to other stocks. As of the making of this video, the stock is trading at around $1,500. However, stock prices change rapidly, so it's crucial to check the current price before making any decisions. Ideal use cases for investing in Meli include long-term growth portfolios and aggressive growth strategies. Given its dominant position in Latin America's e-commerce market and increasing diversification, it could be a good fit for investors looking for exposure to the region's growing digital economy. The advantages of Meli are clear. It's the leader in a rapidly growing market. It has a diversified business model, and it's investing heavily in infrastructure and technology. These factors could drive significant future growth. The company's financials also show increasing revenue and user base. However, Meli also has its disadvantages. It operates in a volatile region with unstable currencies, which can impact its financial performance. Additionally, it faces competition from global giants like Amazon and Alibaba. It also has high operating expenses due to its heavy investments, which could impact profitability. Here are the key takeaways. Meli is a leader in a growing market. It has a diversified business model, but it operates in a volatile region and faces strong competition. Its stock price is high, reflecting its growth potential, but it may not be suitable for conservative investors. In conclusion, Mercado Libre is a compelling investment opportunity with significant growth potential. However, it does come with its share of risks. Therefore, like any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Thank you for watching our analysis of Mercado Libre stock. We hope you found this information helpful in your investment journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Happy investing!